has declared war on the Ocean Federation.
Hello guys,
As
welcome
soon
to
as the
another
news
video,
broke
and
out,
today
enemy
I'm going to be
aircraft
playing
began
this
bombing
game,
Ocean territory,
basically the
causing
jet
widespread
fighting game
destruction.
on Xbox.
The Air Defense Force
So
has released a
basically,
statement saying this
like,
violent attack was
jet
carried out
fighting
by
game, you have
drones.
to destroy
They
other
speculate the
jets,
drones
and
were
yeah,
secretly
it's actually pretty
transported
fun.
to Osea
So before
in shipping
I get
containers
started,
and
make
launched
sure to like,
remotely.
turn all
The Secretary of the Navy has
3,
stated
2,
that the
1.
enemy was targeting
Thank
naval
you.
ports across the
Guys,
country.
thank
According
you
to
so
the
much.
Secretary, all
We're
of the
like
nation's aircraft
96
carriers,
subs.
including
I
one
think hopefully
still
when I
under
wake up in the
construction,
morning,
sustained
it's gonna
severe
be
damage in the
100.
attacks. We
And
have yet
for
to
that,
hear back from the department
trust me,
as
that's
to the
coming
fate
for you
of
guys.
Ocean carriers
It's a
currently
VR
at sea.
video.
Hold
It's
on.
coming.
I've just received
And
breaking
now
news.
here's some news in the
The
game.
International
I'm gonna
Space
skip
Elevator,
this. No one really
which is
cares
being
about
built
this.
in southern
So I'm going to skip this, guys, and hopefully there is
The
no
world was
audio
screwed.
lags.
20 years ago.
Okay, mission number 2. Charge and why did it skip to mission number 2? What? Whatever. Alrighty. That's some intense code there. Ooh, nice map. Eurasia. Why am I doing that?
Eurasia has made a declaration to the Ocean Federation and all countries on the Eurasia.
So we have to kill take down the beta. 4 a.m. Why is it on wheel? Okay,
Mage Squadron, Zordy, ASAP.
Sortie is, I think, basically taking off. Okay, why is it mission number 2? I don't care. May 17th, 2019. Yo, it's December 27th, 2022. Also, Merry Christmas, guys. Sorry, it's a late one, but Merry Christmas.
Current target is on rails, but there's still military vehicles and anti-air weaponry. Destroy the target.
I think
But
we're supposed
HQ
to use
has
like
made it
this
clear
one
that no
missile
harm
one,
should come to
the other
civilians
one
and
is
no
4
damage is to be
a.m.
done to public facilities.
Yeah, we have more missiles at
But
4 a.m.
any aircraft shot down could land in civilian territory.
Yeah,
No point arguing. That's how war is these days.
Woo!
Do you have visual on the anti-air radar vehicles? They should be close.
Boy, he did. That's a 2019 name, boy. What? Why can't I? Oh, B.
Pull up.
Can you turn around? I am so dumb. I don't even think you guys can hear the game, sadly. Hopefully you can, though. Yo!
Fire the AA!
Fire! Be closer!
The radar
Oh, it's
vehicles
escaping.
are under fire! Can't we move them?
No, don't move them, you idiot! Idiot. Italiano.
Alright, we're being attacked by enemy aircraft! We're using the containers now. Those weapons are meant for tactical flexibility.
Pull up.
Oh, guys, I crashed. Am I dead? Is this heaven?
Pull up.
Still in a jet? Sucks. Okay, anyways. Sing on this
Haven't
jet
had
right
air
now.
weaponry in place yet. We can't put up a decent
Yeah,
fight.
no one cares. We only care about our own nation, Osea, whatever it's called. Where is this jet, guys? Where is this jet? That's at the feet. Like, where is this? Is it like swirling around in circles? Yes, indeed it is. Indeed it is, guys. Just keep on swirling around in circles. Annoying little freaking jet. No.
The enemy's barely resisting. This is easy money, so grab it while you can.
Whatever, we're getting paid. I'm gonna record it now. I need the money! Even fine, whatever, I don't care. Golem 1 knock. Okay, why can't I take you down? No! Ooh, God, that was a nice clutch.
Where the damn
Time
enemy?
to... This thing's invincible.
Mage 2,
What
missiles
the hell?
delayed.
Missile where? Where? I don't see one. Oh, God, nice. Eat. Oh, no, 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 please. This thing is strong as hell. No, it's yellow. Let's see how much crashing it can pull up. Oh, it's red.
Airbase has got fighters.
Wait. What if I like slowly? Slowly, I said. God damn it, yes. There. Slare. 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 I said slare. Slow. Slowly crash and send it down.
H2 is crashed.
Huh? Huh? I'm raging! Retry mission. No,
Current target is on rails, but there's still military vehicles and anti-air weaponry. Destroy the target. But HQ has made it clear that no harm should come to civilians and no damage is to be done to public facilities.
But, any aircraft shot down could land in civilian territory.
No point arguing. That's how war is these days.
Do you have visual on the anti-air radar vehicles? They should be close.
Totally innocent.
Yep.
Yes, it is stupid. Radar vehicle.
Target
Another
down.
radar.
Nicely done.
Intercept! Fire the AA! Get the radar vehicle out of there! It's popping off now, Trigger. War has officially begun.
Yeah, the war is officially begun. Welcome.
Radar vehicle's been destroyed! Going for the radar car! They
APC
got their
destroyed.
anti-air guns aimed right at us. Accelerate!
Which
Being
way?
attacked by
Where?
enemy aircraft!
Oh.
We're using the containers now. Those weapons are meant for tactical flexibility.
Blah blah blah. Whatever. You're not on my team. I don't care.
Missile.
Missile.
Rank,
Oh my gosh. Can you slow down? I need to slow down. Make sure
The
it doesn't
enemy's
crash.
barely resisting. This is easy money, so grab it while you can.
Target destroyed.
Oh, I
Time
only
to
have
go.
18 minutes, but damn it. I have to go as fast.
Get the fighters out there. Protect the radar vehicle.
Okay, where are you? What the? I just got a lock on you, I swear to God. I just got a lock on you. Where are you, truck? No. Okay, well, very narrow. Radar tower. Okay, yes. Gas
We don't have any
tank.
anti-air weaponry in place yet. We can't put up a decent fight.
Gas tank. What the hell?
Watch out. The enemy has a lock on you.
I need a lock.
Page 2. Box 2.
Oh, they do.
The enemy aircraft away from the base.
Target eliminated.
Okay, I need to go over the ag. Is that another annoying thing that keeps on trying to scam you? Agoon. No, please!
Under fire! Can't we move them?
Mage 2's crashed.
Guys, there might have been like a bit of voice lag. Hopefully not. Retry from checkpoint.
Current target is
You
on
know what,
rails.
take this,
There's still
ally.
military vehicles and anti-air weaponry.
I never liked you anyway.
Destroy the
It's very
target.
bossy.
But HQ has made it clear that no harm should come to civilians and no damage is to be done to public facilities.
Yo, get back over here.
But, any aircraft shot down could land in civilian
Yo, why are
territory.
you going so fast?
No point arguing. That's how war is these days.
Do you have visual on the anti-air radar vehicles? They should be
Turning on
close.
your pants.
Yep.
Yo. Whoa. Hold LB and R to the pen. That actually really helps, guys. Autopilot. Wow. Think we placed autopilot? No, I don't care.
Fire the AA! Get the radar vehicle out of there!
Woo!
It's popping off now, Trigger. The war has officially
Yeah, no
begun.
one cares. The word's officially right. Anyways, where's the next APC? APC! I swear.
Air raid! Being attacked by enemy aircraft!
Yeah, you air raided us
We're
first.
using the containers now. Those weapons are meant for tactical flexibility.
We're good guys, right? Right, totally. Right? Not good. Ah!
Caution.
Right through the
Pull up.
wires. That will pull up what you're saying.
Missile.
Where?
Mage 2, there's a missile after you.
Missile.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
Missile.
Where is it?
Bandit is in
Where
my
is
sights.
it?
Missile.
Yo, they're all gone.
Caution. Pull up.
Alright.
Page 2, missile launch.
Caution.
Radar vehicle, I'm coming for ya. Ooh, I think.
Page 2, vehicle destroyed.
Okay, Egu. Really one of those annoying
Got their
people
anti-air
lovers.
guns aimed right at us.
They're going to annoy the hell out of me. Indeed you are.
Caution. Pull up.
Damn it, I have to like go down.
Where are the
Go up
damn
here.
interceptors?
Where are my damn interceptors? I don't know. I don't live there, thankfully. I won't work. I'm peace.
Target destroyed.
Send extra missiles. Oh, I'm destroying civilians' houses. I'm evil. Alrighty, missile. 4 a.m. is like for like emergency. We only have.
We don't have any anti-air weaponry in place yet. We can't put up
Hey,
a
no one
decent fight.
cares. Where are you? Another jet.
Page 2, enemy has a radar lock on you.
No, they don't. It's a noise warning. That's why they. Are you like a jet that's trying to like annoy me right now? Yeah, you annoying jet. Yes, take this. Yes. Radar beacon, let's go. Fast as you can. Okay, level out. Level out.
The enemy's barely resisting. This is easy money, so grab it while
Yeah, I
you
know.
can.
Whatever. I want to get. Still, it's so late. Woo!
Target destroyed. Time to go.
Woo!
Get the fighters out there. Protect the radar vehicle.
No, I don't want.
Firing.
Don't. Please. Let me just take this. Boom!
Target confirmed destroyed. Nice.
Okay, what's my next target? There.
Can we move them?
No, no. You take this.
Missile away. Vehicle down.
Radar vehicle. This time I tried taking it down with my guns again.
Page 2,
But
locked.
not a great. Okay, level out, level out, level out. No, never mind. No!
Did Mage 2 seriously go down?
I didn't. I'm just spinning. Oh! Okay, that's the end of the video. I am frustrated. Guys, hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, blah, blah, blah. Okay, sorry. I'm sorry. Guys, first of all, thank you guys so much for like 90 subs. That's a lot. And yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you want more content. Like, so I guess more popular. Okay, but anyways, yeah. And notifications to get notified for more content. And guys, hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys again so much for 96 subs. Probably at 97 by the time I'm done uploading this. When we're at 100, guys, I promise you, I'm gonna make a new video. Alright, guys, bye. Hope you enjoyed a lot.